Hello and welcome to Guide Games. In this video, I will teach you how you can use Adalo App Builder.
Adalo is a no-code app builder, a platform that lets you create mobile and web apps without writing coding. The key feature of Adalo App Builder is drag and drop builder, database integration, app logic and automation, user authentication, and publish to stores. These are the features of Adalo App Builder that make it different from other builders. Now I will teach you how you can use that.
So first you have to go and you have to open your browser, and there you have to search for Adalo App Builder. Just click on this first link that appear here, and now you can see the website. For creating an account, just you have to go and you have to sign up. If you already have an account, then you can go and you can log in. Once you are done with all these things, then you have to follow their 3-step process. First you have to select the platform if you want to use a mobile or desktop. Then the template. Here you have many options for template. You can select any one option from here and you can click on next. Then you can do here the branding. You can select the app name, primary color and the secondary colors. Here I have written the name, and then you can customize the color here as well. Once done, you can go and you can click on create. Now here you can see all the page. Here you have home, sign up, login and welcome page. Here you can go and you can do a lot of customization. So let's begin. First, if we go and if we click on this welcome page, here you can see this button that is called sign up. Here you can go and you can change the name to login as well. Moreover, here if you want to add new color to the button, you can go and you can do that as well here. Here you can go and you can change the picture as well, and you can upload here any new picture. Similarly, you can also go and here you can add one more tab as well. You have to go to button and you can add here new button as well. Like here you can add this button as sign up button or some other button. That's how this thing works. Once done, you can go and you can preview your page as well. That's how basically it looks. That was the basic. Now let's talk about more details. So here just you have to go and you have to click on this plus button, and here you have to scroll. Now just go to button section, and here you have many options. Just click and drag the action button and add that to your page. The best thing about this icon is that you can customize them. You can change the text, the color and the format as well. Here I have written the button as strip. Here we can also add actions to components to turn users' input into a better action. Let's link a new button to the screen with a form on it by adding click action. Then here selecting the link action and choosing here new screen. Here you have to select the name for your new screen, and then you have to select here the sample format. I'll just go with form here and then simply click on create screen. Form is a component that allow us to add and change the data in our database. Here if we go to our database, here you can see this database collection. Then you can see your user data. If you click on that, here you can see email, password, username, full name. Here you will get all the information about your users. You can create a tab here and you can save your database of trip in that tab. Here this you have to go and you have to click on plus, and then you have to go to list, and here you can select the image list and you can add that to your screen. We want this list to pull the list item from the trip collection. Then here you have to select the trip and you have to preview. And here you can see the trip that we have added in our home screen. Once the user will gonna add more trips using the form, it will gonna appear here. Like here if we show you more trips added by different users, you can see here on the screen how it will look with different users information added as trip through the form. Now here we can only see the names and the photos but not the description. And here if you want to add the description, I will go again to plus, and here I will scroll to the bottom, and you can see here the option called add action, and I will go to link and then new screen. And here again I will write the name like trip, description, details, and then I will select here app bar and will create new screen. And here I will gonna drag a image component, text component and a description component for the description, title and the image. You can go and you can do that. Here you can also do a lot of customization, like you can change the format, color and all these things. And here we are done. You can see. Let's talk about how it will work. When we are gonna click on any list of item, it will gonna sense the data and will gonna open the thing in our new tab with the description, date and photo. We can display the details on our trip detail by simply using this magic T. Here you can go and you can change. You can use here any information related to the current trip. Here you can go with the name, description. For now I will go with name, and then I will go and will do the description, and then the date and time. You can do these things even for the image as well. Now we are good to go, so let's go and preview. Here list of trip has been displayed, so I will just go and will click on anyone. You can see here name, description and the date and time as well. That's how basically this app will to work in the Adalo. If you like our video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.